Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete likes on Facebook. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On the top right of your screen, simply click your profile picture and from there, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. Then after that, click over to the left side of the screen, your Facebook activity, then comments and reaction right here. And there will be a drop down menu that says comments, likes, and reactions. Simply click on likes and reactions, and from there, every reaction that you've got, you can simply go to the right side of that tab and click on the three dots. And after that, you can simply remove that reaction. And or you can simply select all of your likes and reactions and remove them all at once. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.